sweetheart. Hello. Hello. What? What is it, handsome? Are you the most handsome bird there is? I think you are. There you go. Really? I didn't know that. Yeah? Okay. Cool. Yeah, I think so. I love you. You know this. You get told every day of your life how much I love you. There you go, baby. I truly adore you. Hello? Hello? Hi, babies. Hello? I love you. Are you spoiled rotten? Are you a spoiled bird? Hi. Hi. Hello. Johnny, you're next after Billy. Oops. Oh, it's so sad when you do that. I know. We don't like to drop the nuts. We don't like dropping nuts, no. I love you, Merlin. Oops. Oops. Are you my beautiful bird that I adore above all others? Yeah, you know it too.